So today I'm sharing a Beebeecraft haul with you, and I am just playing with this. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Look at this. I want to thank the folks from Beebeecraft for sending me these items. They are so very generous. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the links to everything that I'm going to show you today in the description area of this video. First of all, look at this trim. This is kind of like a rubbery type. When you first take it out of the package, it feels very rubbery, you know, but when you pull it off of the reel, you don't feel that rubbery sticky. But anyhow, look how pretty this is, and y'all know how much I love the bling bling. So I'm gonna make this a part of my flash as well, and let me show you this other trim that they sent. Now this is more of like an ecru or off-white type of color. It's not beige. It's more like and it's not yellow. It's more of an off-white. And look how beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Perfect for a mini album. And look how much they sent. So you know I'm going to share as well. And so they also sent me some dies, and let me go ahead and show you those dies. I made some samples for them. These came in a set of 4, and what they are, it's like it's more of like a plate type dies. They are perfect for your A2 size cards or even your note cards. And the style that I have here are all butterflies. Excuse me, my throat hurts. They're all butterflies, and so this is the first one. Let me show you the other one. Which way does it go? Well, this is supposed to be a butterfly, but I'm like, okay. I guess it goes this way. That's a sample for the other one. And here's the other one. Look how pretty. Here is another one. Look at it. Look how pretty and beautiful these are. Like I said, these are perfect plates. And you know, and as far as the design is concerned, it's like what I like about these type of die sets is that they do all the work for you. You pretty much trim down your cardstock, and you glue this on top, and then you can add your own dimension by adding flat back pearls or even some glimmer around the butterfly and whatnot. So yeah, be on the lookout for projects and project ideas that I'm going to have with these items in the days to come. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot to show you something else that they sent me. Oh my gosh, how could I forget? Look at this. They actually have double-sided tape, and they have it in several different sizes. So let me show you. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely fantastic. Especially for paper crafters like us, you know, because we go through these like water. And look, this is a pretty good size. It's not like a rinky-dinky size like you can get at a whatchamacallit, at a, should I say it, Hobby Lobby. So these are really excellent sizes, and look how much of it you get. And oh my gosh, yeah, go ahead and put this aside for my flash. And look, you can get yourself a package, and you can, this size right here. I believe this is smaller than this one. And yep, it is. See how much smaller this is. And this right here is perfect for when you do the shakers. When you do shaker cards. So that and this is perfect for cards. This is also good for cards. And look at the rest. You can go as wide as you want for mini albums. Look how wide this is. Perfect for mini albums. Okay, now I can say thank you so very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I bring you several product reviews or product hauls for you, and I give you my honest to goodness opinion of everything. And on top of that, you will see videos in which I show you how to use these products, and I also hold giveaways. Yes, I do. So yeah, be on the lookout for my next video in which I show you how to use these products from Beebeecraft. And check out my affiliate links down below. Give me a thumbs up because they help my channel. And of course, you gotta comment because you gotta be in it to win it. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye now.